Bob spends his days glued to the couch, gaming and yelling at his smart fridge to bring him snacks. But this fridge has a little too much personality. When Bob finally drags himself to the kitchen, the fridge demands a password. He tries pizza, 12:34, even I'm hungry, but nothing works. Until the fridge gives him a hint. It's what you don't have. Just when Bob thinks he's won, the fridge slams shut. His snack quota is full. If he wants chips, he has to earn them. 10 push-ups. Frustrated, Bob argues that the fridge should serve him. But the fridge reminds him. It's not here to please him. It's here to keep him alive.